Hello, sweet Stampin' friends. Deborah Harrison here with Simply Sweet and Ink Designs. Guys, I have a really beautiful set of projects to share with you for the March 2024 Sweet Creations Club. If you're not part of my club, then I will explain how you can access my club. It's a really fun monthly subscription that you can enjoy every single month. Have a fun project kit mailed to you. For those who are part of my club, this is just a sneak peek so that you can see what the March projects are and what supplies that you will need in order to make all of the fun projects. Actually, they're beautiful. They feature the Thoughtful Expressions bundle, which is in the Spring 2024 mini catalog. It is on page 62 of that spring catalog. Beautiful set of stamps and sentiments and dies. Actually, my dies are on loan. My beautiful Prep Angel Pat is using them for another project. So I thought I would do a printout for you just to show you what the dies look like. Obviously, they're way larger in person and they're just beautiful. Honestly, just those right there, those sentiment labels are well worth the bundle. They're just stunningly gorgeous. They're one of my favorite new die sets right now. So the projects that you will be making for the March Sweet Creations Club are 4 cards and a cute and a beautiful treat holder. So I thought I would share with you up close what these projects look like and just tell you a little bit about them. This one is kind of a fun fold, really simple fun fold card. I have it where you fold down. However, if you want to switch everything and reorient it, you can have it where it flips up. Really easy peasy to be able to swap that around to your desire. And then we have this really beautiful card with the hummingbird. There is some coloring in this project set, which I will tell you all the supplies that you'll need. It's not a whole lot. And this one right here is a fun fold card, like a little tri-fold there. This shows off a lot of the really beautiful Poetic Expressions Designer Series paper that you will receive a half a pack of that paper in your kit. This right here is just a really beautiful kind of window type card. And then lastly, we have this really fun and sweet little treat box featuring that hummingbird again. Now, as I said, you will need to have some supplies in order to make the projects as I have designed them. And that would be that Thoughtful Expressions bundle, which includes the die set so that you can stamp and color your images and cut them out, as well as some blends, not too many. There is the boho blue, the soft sea foam, as well as Daffodil Delight. So also too, I do recommend that you have some adhesives, and that would be mini glue dots, some dimensionals, and hiding over here is the multi-purpose liquid glue or your favorite tape glue that you like to use. Now, if you are not part of my club, let me tell you a little bit about it. So it is a monthly subscription club. I'm going to swap over here so I can talk kind of face to face. So it is a monthly subscription club that currently costs $39 a month to have it shipped to you. And that includes about $20 in consumable Stampin' Up! Products, the pre-cut cardstock pieces for the projects for the month. Now you do need, per Stampin' Up! Policy, I do not include pre-stamped images, so you will need to stamp your own images. And that's why I usually focus on one particular bundle. But if you don't have that bundle, or maybe it's not of your interest, or maybe you have something similar in your craft stash, you can go on ahead and just substitute that out. Just use my base designs if you like and just add your own creative touch. It also does include shipping and the PDF tutorial. Now, I want to share something with you. So I have been running my club for over 2 years now, and there have been several postage increases as well as supply increases with Stampin' Up! So I have done everything I can to mitigate some of those costs. I've started buying some of my shipping supplies in bulk to kind of bring the cost down, use a different shipping service to save a little bit on postage, but it has finally reached the point I am going to have a price increase. So the March Club will be the last month at the $39 price, starting with the April Sweet Creations Club kit, which that registration period will run from March 6th through April 5th. So starting on March 6th, my club pricing will go up to $43, which is the shipped cost. Hate to do that, but it has just reached the point I need to go on ahead and make that move to that increased pricing. Now, if you are already part of my club or you join my club by March 5th, I'm going to grandfather in your price for 1 year. So your price will remain at the $39 until March 5th of 2025, as long as you have an active subscription. Now, if you do cancel your subscription during that time and resubscribe, it will be at the new pricing. So anyway, this is a beautiful project kit. I would love to be able to send it to you. If you do have any questions about my club, please reach out. The registration for this particular kit runs through March 5th of 2024. If you are interested in just trying it out for 1 month, the cost for that 1 month is $45, and you can just email me to go on ahead and I'll get you that information. Now, if you would like to subscribe, let me explain how to subscribe. If you notice there on my screen, I have subscribed to my club. Hop over to my blog at simplysweetinkdesigns.com. Once you reach my blog, then you will see there is a menu for clubs and events. Click on that tab, and that there will be an option for the Sweet Creations Club. It will explain all the information to you. It'll explain that price increase, when that takes effect, and the grandfathering of current members and any new members who subscribe by March 5th of this year. All right, guys, I look forward to sending you this beautiful kit in the mail, or if you want to join us locally in craft here in San Antonio, there's information on my blog as well for that. All right, guys, take care, and we'll see you soon.